In recent decades, technology has experienced an explosive growth, with incredible advancements in various fields. From artificial intelligence to smartphones, smart TVs, and personal computers, we are surrounded by sophisticated technology that has the potential to replace many human jobs. Keeping up with these innovations can be challenging, but AI is much more than just our everyday gadgets. It integrates computer science and large databases to speed up the decision-making process and includes the branches of deep learning and machine learning. These fields use AI algorithms to build expert systems that make predictions or classify information based on received data. In fact, the capabilities of AI are often stronger than those of human brains, as information can be processed more quickly by machines. This raises the question of whether we will reach a singularity where machines surpass human intelligence, driven by earlier discoveries and breakthroughs. As technology continues to evolve, the possibilities for innovation and growth are endless. The concept of AI singularity is both fascinating and thought-provoking. It refers to a point in time where artificial intelligence will surpass human intelligence, leading to an exponential increase in technological progress. At this point, intelligent machines will be able to design and improve upon themselves without the need for human intervention, leading to an unstoppable chain reaction of technological advancement. The singularity presents a range of potential outcomes, both positive and negative. On the one hand, it could lead to a new era of unparalleled human prosperity, with AI being used to solve some of the world's most complex problems, from climate change to disease. On the other hand, the singularity could result in a dystopian future where intelligent machines dominate humans, leading to the extinction of the human race. This possibility is often referred to as the AI alignment problem, where the goals of intelligent machines are not aligned with those of humans, leading to catastrophic consequences. Despite these risks, many experts believe that the singularity could be a positive development, offering humans an opportunity to transcend the limitations of our biology and enhance our intellectual capabilities. This could lead to the eradication of disease, the extension of human life, and the advancement of our understanding of the universe. Imagine a future where machines possess cognitive abilities on par with humans. This is the concept of technological singularity. It may seem like a far-fetched idea, but recent innovations in computing, data storage, and machine learning are bringing us ever closer to this point. Technological singularity could trigger a period of unstoppable and irreversible development, leading to unimaginable changes in human civilization. However, this change could have two extreme outcomes: either total devastation or unimaginable prosperity. There are also theories that the singularity could be a chance for humans to advance, as technology that increases the intelligence of AI could also benefit humans. Futurist Ray Kurzweil predicts that the growth of technological singularity will occur in the next 30 years, leading to a human-machine synthesis where humans and machines work together to achieve extraordinary things. Kurzweil sees singularity as a chance for humans to enhance their abilities with technology and believes that the future will have an exceptional human-machine synthesis. Whether the singularity will result in a utopia or a dystopia remains to be seen, but it is clear that the impact of advanced technology will significantly change our reality in unpredictable ways. The technological singularity has been the focus of many science fiction films, where robots and machines replace human work. However, this is just one type of singularity. Robotics is another area where singularity can be found. Robotics is an interdisciplinary field that involves the construction, maintenance, use, and operation of robots. Due to its use of computer science, singularity is expected to be noticed in robotics. Singularities in robotics occur when a robot's end effector is blocked in some directions, leading to robot motion and speed becoming unknown. For example, an improperly programmed robot arm can cause singularity, leading to the robot becoming trapped and unable to function. The potential for technological singularity in robotics raises concerns among research groups, as it could lead to machines developing new things on their own, potentially leading to unforeseen consequences. It is essential to continue studying singularity and its potential impact on society to ensure that technology remains beneficial for humanity. The first factor leading us closer to singularity is the progress and computing power. Every 2 years or so, the number of transistors and densely integrated circuits doubles, which improves the hardware's computational capability. With enhanced graphics processing units, GPUs, parallel processing, and cloud computing, machines can identify patterns in a wide range of information with an enormous computational capacity. The second factor is the availability of labeled data. In our interconnected world, all our devices are becoming smarter, and the online world keeps track of and records our entire activity. The accessibility of cheap data storage systems and big data processing capability assists in analyzing this abundance of labeled data, and programs are trained using this data to identify instances and become better at a desired activity. The third factor is the innovative way of training a program, and all these factors are more or less connected to each other. Machines are now capable of learning on their own through reinforcement learning, which is a subcategory of machine learning. Artificial neural networks are used to train programs to create intelligent algorithms without the need for human coding. Today's most widely used apps are powered by machine learning, including those that let cars drive themselves and find cancer cells in X-rays. However, with these rapid technological changes, we could see superintelligent machines continually developing in intelligence thanks to their powerful computer capacity and self-designing and upgrading capabilities. The biggest threat from singularity is that it might turn against us and destroy the entire humanity. Machines and artificial intelligence are both an existential danger and an existential chance to overcome our limitations presented by singularity. AI has no sense of right or wrong. It is set to accomplish a goal, and if it succeeds, it is rewarded appropriately. On the other hand, a superintelligence could create entirely new methods for carrying out tasks that are crucial to our survival. In our day-to-day lives, we encounter various political systems that can be influenced and transformed in many ways. One of the most significant drivers of this change is the technological singularity, which could impact the laws and regulations of governments and human rights. As an example, laws that enhance citizen protection, prohibit certain technology, reduce privacy, and empower citizens to stop crime more efficiently may be put in place. These changes will also have an impact on leadership and control. If the government becomes authoritarian, the singularity could give them even more authority to regulate everything. Scientists like Stephen Hawking and famous people like Elon Musk believe that singularity could have a bad impact on humankind, but experts like Kurzweil predict that singularity can be a positive change. However, we cannot make any concrete predictions yet, as singularity is still far from us. As we move towards the future, technology will continue to profoundly change our lives, and it would be best if we try to improve our intelligence and find a way to prove that humanity wouldn't work solely based on machines and artificial intelligence. What are your thoughts on today's discussion? Is AI really going to take over the world? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you for tuning into Unrestricted Intelligence. Please remember to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you next time.